In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows security not starting on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the first thing you want to do is open up your Windows PowerShell. So search for PowerShell, right click, run as an administrator. And from in here you want to type in this command that I'll put in the description. Simply copy and paste it, put it in here and press enter. Now see if this works. What it will do is it will just reset your security. So check if that works. If it doesn't, what you can do is search for your Windows security down here, security. When you have it open, you can go to the app settings. You can also right click in app settings. And once you head over to this page, there should be a reset button. Now click on reset and it will reset your Windows security from in here. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is you can go here and check if you have a Windows update. So if you have one, you should take it. I'm pretty sure I have an optional one, but just click check for updates and take one if you have one. Now as a last thing, what we can try is search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and it should look like this. In here type sfc /scan now and press enter. Now this will scan your PC for any corrupt files and just wait for this to go to 100 and check if you have anything. If it finds any corrupt files, it will fix them automatically, so you don't need to do anything. Now that's about it, guys. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.